Late night concentrate during the assessments. Every one of these propensities drove me to put on loads more weight. In any case, I barely minded. After my graduation, as the vast majority, I also have work area work. After our office, we scarcely get whenever or vitality left with setting off to any wellness system. Is the smoothie diet program a scam? Chomping on quick nourishments as they are effectively accessible and less expensive. Individuals never acknowledge things until they experience things. When I went for an ordinary exam, and I was determined to have hypertension and other serious constant ailments. Presently my life was in question. What's more, that is the point at which I understood I have to equip and experienced different articles and found the smoothie diet surveys. In any case, the vast majority of the weight control plans followed starving, which I knew would lead me to eat more nourishments on the following supper. In any case, by one way or another while experiencing the web I discovered this abnormal eating routine, which gave you the day-by-day nutrients and minerals you require, without including cooking or other stuff. Yes. The Smoothie Diet PDF. It might sound unusual, however yes, it truly works. This is a kind of food propensity which truly works for individuals who need to begin their weight reduction venture in a sound way. It works essentially for the individuals who are involved in a bustling timetable and face issues in getting ready regular suppers. In this eating regimen plan, you supplant 2 of your primary dinners, ideally the morning meal and lunch, with smoothies. The third dinner you can have strong food, yet remember to have a lower calorie food. Scouts likewise permit a cheat feast each week, however just a couple of suggested ones, referenced in the digital book. This is a 21-day cycle, power-stuffed with nourishment and nutrients, and you can follow whenever you need to shed a few pounds. The elements of the smoothies may shift, predominantly relying upon organic products, vegetables, protein, and barely any solid fats. Follow the plans in the digital book to set up your strong supper food. The supper ought not be high in calories or, more than likely it not. Think of the ideal outcomes. The smoothie diet manage additionally encourages you with some high-fiber tidbits and low-sugar choices. The smoothie diet audit contains 2 plans. The first, the detox plan, where you supplant all your 3 fundamental dinners with solid smoothies which keep you feel totality throughout the day. Another arrangement incorporates the 21-day plan where you supplant 2 dinners with a smoothie and have 1 strong food with a couple eating. You can likewise adjust in some cases, following a flex day, where you have a smoothie followed by 2 dinners. Be that as it may, the Smoothie Diet PDF isn't suggested for individuals having food sensitivities. So counsel a specialist or get a customary test before beginning this eating routine. The Smoothie Diet manufacturer. This smoothie diet was made by Drew Segudas, an affirmed nutrition expert and health coach. He has confidence in home cooking with all the genuine fixings. He is the person who tosses his substance into progress. What's more, that what drove this progressive eating regimen, the Smoothie Diet program. Upsides and downsides of the Smoothie Diet PDF. Geniuses. This eating routine includes having smoothies, which are fundamentally from products of the soil. They are normally low in calories and give you the day-by-day phytonutrients, being a piece of your solid eating routine. Less depending on calories. According to the Smoothie Diet Survey, most of the renowned eating regimens and get healthy plans depend on calories. Yet, as we know that products of the soil are lower in calories, you don't have to engage in tallying the calories throughout the day. The plans gave in this program don't include a lot of dynamic procedure, which is an additional preferred position for every working individuals. Go simple with the shopping. This 3-week diet plan covers the shopping list each week at the beginning itself. The eating regimen plan contains a separated shopping list helping you in your shopping. This makes your market visit a lot simpler during T9's 21-day plan. Aside from the previously mentioned experts, there are different investigations demonstrating the viability and maintainability of the eating regimen plan. Cons. Maintaining the miniaturized scale supplements. A large portion of the smoothies have their calories from the starches, and extremely less protein and fats. It is prescribed to have a protein admission of at any rate 50 grams day by day to keep up a solid way of life. So this eating regimen suggests getting the day-by-day need from the bites. Experience the smoothie diet audit altogether before following the arrangement, or you may drop out. On the off chance that you are supplanting your dinners with these smoothies, make a point to get your fats and proteins. Attempt to include some chia seeds and flax seeds. They help to thicken up your smoothies just as give you fundamental micronutrients. Get a decent wellspring of slender protein, those assistants you to fabricate muscle, helping you to keep up a better ability to burn calories. Having different nuts and seeds in the tidbit may work. High sugar content. This 21-day smoothie diet contains a ton of natural products. Organic products are known to the normal wellspring of sugars. There are numerous smoothies which require the option of nectar and another sugar substitute, which just adds calories to them. So all these are not prescribed to the individuals having clinical issues. A nutty spread smoothie is a solid choice as it's protein-rich with no additional sugars. A portion of the smoothies are too thick to even consider drinking, so the vast majority add juices to thin them down. In any case, abstain from doing as such, rather add water to make it weaken, or ice can be a choice to thicken them up. Get the perfect measure of thickness without adding more calories by changing to choices. Time taking. In the event that you are remaining at home, at that point causing 2 smoothies to can be somewhat less genuine annoyance, despite everything tidying up the drinking spree each time you have one. Furthermore, as a working proficient, having a smoothie in your morning meal is quite simple. However, shouldn't something be said about the lunch? You can't have all the important fixings when you are away from home. Isn't that so? Fails over the long haul. At the point when you start this eating routine, your body experiences an uncommon change in chopping down the calories. As vegetables and natural products are lower in calories and furthermore without the basic proteins and solid fats. Supplanting strong dinners with fluids may help you toward the start and you may see perceptible outcomes, yet when you begin getting into your past day-by-day eats less, you will in general get weight once more. So this digital book and the smoothie diet audit recommend following the eating routine much of the time, which isn't generally a sound choice. Why the smoothie diet is useful? Is it a scam? Not just for weight reduction. Your body here and there requires for detoxification. This 21-day smoothie diet plan will assist you with following a detox plan, expelling all the polluting influences from your body. You feel light and enthusiastic, re-establishing all the lost minerals and nutrients. It does no mischief to your body. They are lesser in calories. Incline them up with protein and sound fats, making them scrumptious just as to get the additional advantages from it. The smoothie diet user surveys. While riding the web, you will get some of the smoothie diet client audits who got benefits following the eating regimen. Not this, the digital book furnishes you with different contextual analyses of the individuals following the eating regimen plan and getting startling outcomes. End. This digital book furnishes you with various plans, yet to get results you have to keep up the extents. Make your propensity to have a solid smoothie once every day over the long haul. Attempt to count the carbohydrate content and skill much you have to expend in each feast. This will spare you from all the normal weight reduction botches. Use strawberries, blueberries, and apples in your smoothies. They are wealthy in cancer prevention agents. Attempt to have smoothies too, including spinach and kale. They are plentiful in minerals, nutrients, and potassium also. To make your smoothie thick, have a go at utilizing ice. On the off chance that you are a nutty spread darling, go for the powdered one, stay away from the rich spread. Also, for characteristic sugar include mangoes or bananas, this will get you far from the additional fats and fake sugar. Last not, regardless of whether you need to get thinner, or simply need to follow a solid way of life. Download now, the Smoothie Diet PDF and digital book and head toward the kitchen. The smoothie diet isn't a trick, attempt it today and offer your the smoothie diet audit alongside us. Cheerful abstaining from excessive food intake.